Most home service business owners assume all field service apps do the same thing. But here's the truth no one tells you. The difference between Jobber and Markate can directly affect how many jobs you book, how fast you get paid, and how organized your entire business feels in 2026. In this video, you'll get a clear comparison of Jobber versus Markate, what each one does best, where they fall short, and which one is actually better for your business. Let's get straight into it. First, what are these tools? Jobber and Markate are both designed for home service businesses. That includes cleaning companies, HVAC technicians, lawn care services, and small contractors. They help with scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and job tracking. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though they overlap, they are built with slightly different priorities. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is focused on structure and ease of use. It is designed to help you run your daily operations smoothly without confusion. A business owner like Jake, running a small HVAC or cleaning team, can schedule jobs, send invoices, and manage customers in one clean system. The biggest strength is simplicity. Everything is easy to understand, even if you are not tech savvy. But here's the problem. Jobber can feel limited if you want deeper customization or more advanced marketing tools. Now let's look at Markate. Markate is more focused on affordability and lead generation tools. It is popular among small service businesses that want basic CRM, quoting, and scheduling without high monthly costs. A contractor like Alex starting a pressure washing business can use Markate to create quotes quickly and manage customer leads without heavy software complexity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Markate often appeals to businesses that want functionality at a lower cost. But here's the catch. It may not feel as polished or advanced as Jobber when it comes to user experience and automation. Let's compare scheduling. Jobber offers a very clean scheduling system. You can assign jobs, view calendars, and track technicians easily. Markate also offers scheduling, but it is simpler and less advanced in terms of team coordination features. A technician like John can see daily tasks in both, but Jobber gives more structure for managing multiple employees. Now let's talk invoicing and payments. Both platforms allow invoicing and online payments. Jobber is known for fast, professional invoicing with automated reminders. Markate also supports invoicing, but it is more basic in automation features. Now here's where it gets interesting. Faster invoicing usually means faster cash flow, and that can make a big difference for small businesses. Let's talk customer communication. Jobber has strong customer communication tools. Clients get updates, reminders, and can view job progress through a client portal. Markate also offers CRM features, but they are simpler and less automated. But here's the problem. If customer communication is not consistent, you end up with missed appointments and confusion. Now let's talk mobile experience. Jobber has a polished mobile app. Technicians can update jobs, send photos, and manage schedules easily from the field. Markate is functional on mobile, but it is more basic in design and workflow. Now, here's the key insight most contractors miss. Jobber focuses on operational efficiency and clean workflows. Markate focuses on affordability and basic functionality. So which one is better? If you want a polished system that helps you run and scale your home service business with structure, Jobber is usually the better choice. If you are just starting out and want a low-cost tool to manage leads, quotes, and basic scheduling, Markate can be enough. Now here's the turning point. The best software is not the cheapest or the most powerful. It is the one that matches your current stage of business. To wrap it up clearly, Jobber is best for structure, automation, and long-term growth. Markate is best for affordability and simple business management. Both work, but they serve different types of contractors in 2026. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, hit like so more business owners can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.